How to log out KakaoTalk. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your KakaoTalk app. So now, if you have noticed, KakaoTalk doesn't have a direct logout option. Even in the settings menu, you won't find a logout button anywhere in the app. So the only way to log out is by completely removing the app data. And to do that, simply open the settings on your device, and from there you can simply tap on General, and in this section you can see the option labeled iPhone storage. Tap on that, and here you will see a list of apps installed on your device. Scroll down and select KakaoTalk, and if you just want to free up space, you can choose offload app, but this won't log you out. Since we want to log out completely, you need to delete the app, which will remove all its document and data. Tap delete app and confirm your action, and the app will be removed from your device. And if you want to log in again, you will need to reinstall KakaoTalk from the App Store and sign in with your account. And that's it. Since there is no built-in logout feature, this is the only way to sign out of KakaoTalk. With this, if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.